My favorite part about any conference is the swag, but GitHub always does the best job of providing the best swag. So join me as we unbox my swag box from GitHub Universe. Now, first of all, check out the calligraphy. Sean Day person in gel pen. Quite lovely, quite lovely. All right, let's open it up. I'm really excited. Okay, this box is so cute. I'm keeping it with me forever. This is gonna be, it's gonna be storage for so many things. An Octolamp kit. Let's see what's inside of this. Bruh, it's a for real lamp and I can hang it up. It's decor. It's decor. And continuing the trend of very useful and extremely gorgeous swag is the Stanley Cup with the GitHub logo, the little Octocat on it. I love it. Okay, we also got this power bank. This thing has some weight to it too. So this is, I actually saw one of the other creators using this, and it's like a cute little stand. It has a cute little stand, and it also has ports for like the USB-C, so you could plug that in. And then this works where you could just like stick your phone to it and the magnets connect to it, so it'll just automatically charge for you. So adorable, baby. Yes. A GitHub Copilot Lego-ish set, so I can build my own little Copilot and have this little thing on my desk. So freaking cute. Okay, gotta know what an amazeball is. Your vaguely spherical pair programmer. Let's open you up, babes. Okay, when I told you they have the best swag, I'm not even lying. All right, there used to be rubber ducking. Now you have Copilot. And this is literally a vaguely spherical pair programmer. Copilot, will I continue to win in life? It says ship it. So that means yes. Thank you, babes. I love you. Hands down, the best swag ever. Got a Letterman jacket with my name on it. Thank you, GitHub. Thank you, Ashley. And I got the logo on the back. I'm part of the team. I'm feeling really loved. And you know, no Letterman jacket is complete without those little patches on it. We got patches. So I'm adding these, a little rubber duck. Here's the little Octocat Copilot. I think this one's name is Dora, but I'm not sure. And then we're the World's Fair of Software. I love it all so much. Thank you, GitHub.